Why did God part the Red Sea instead of stopping the danger?
Great question. First, God's people left Egypt, but fear followed them quickly as Pharaoh's army chased behind. Second, the sea blocked their path forward, and panic rose as danger closed in. Third, instead of removing danger, God opened the way through it.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. God does not always remove hard moments, sometimes He leads people through them. 2. Courage grows when people move forward even while afraid. 3. Freedom often comes through trust in motion, not waiting for safety.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. Step 1. Fear activates the amygdala and makes danger feel bigger and closer. Step 2. Choosing trust activates the prefrontal cortex and supports calm decision-making. Step 3. Each step forward teaches the brain that fear does not always mean stop.
How does this show up in real life?
Number 1. This shows up when problems feel overwhelming and unavoidable. Number 2. Fear can cause complaining, blaming, or wanting to go backward. Number 3. Growth often requires moving forward before calm arrives.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, one step into the sea changed everything. Second, trust grew as fear weakened with each step forward. Third, small steps through fear can lead to huge breakthroughs.
So, how do I start?
Great question. 1. Pause and notice fear instead of fighting it. 2. Name what you are afraid of to calm your body and mind. 3. Take one small step forward today even if fear remains.
What should we do today?
Today's challenge is simple, but powerful. Step 1. Take one small step towards something you have been avoiding. Step 2. Notice how courage grows after action, not before it. Step 3. Comment one word that describes how stepping forward feels and share this video with someone you care to grow wisdom together. Remember, God stayed with His people through fear and rescue. Growth did not happen instantly, patience was required. Freedom is a journey, and God walks with His people step by step.
See you in the next episode.